Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know, say over recent times, my people, you understand, Linstead, over there in St. Catherine, my people, and close by community like Yuatan, my people, has been plagued where members of the entertainment fraternity over there has lost their life, my people. You understand? Whether by gun violence or whether by accident, my people, you know what I mean? And we have seen where quite amount of female has been cut down over there in Linstead, my people, St. Catherine. You understand? Who were listed as promoters and things, you know what I mean? So you don't know, so once you're a promoter, musician, sound man, you are a part of the entertainment fraternity. No joke about it. So now, my people, I'm just going to share a little piece of video with you all, you understand? And then I'm going to give you some sad information about the person you're going to see in this little video, my people. And this video, it didn't film just now, my people. It filmed a couple years ago, but just to give you a highlight about this person and a full understanding and about the sad tragedy that comes behind her right now, my viewers and subscribers. So just check out this, my people.
You know me in a Mr. Chin Chopper say me get something for fry party cheap and clean. Oh, we say cheap and clean. You don't know say me represent the fry party. Promoter, pick up yourself, Mr. Chin. Yeah. You don't know say a promoters link up green and white edition. So come up in your green and white prosperity. We say what we say. June 20, run a club lavish. I don't know if you run a Baptist car. I say big up your damn self, champion boy. I'm up, Mr. Chain. Up it.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, Zine, you can see a brilliant female in that video, my people, speaking out. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, entertainment and thing. But sadly, right now, my viewers and subscribers, pan today, you understand, which is Saturday, the 30th of April, my people, this female has lost her life. Well, she goes by the correct name of people, Sabrina Taffy. Well, a lot of people call her Brina. You understand? Especially in the party world, my people. And Brina was killed, my viewers and subscribers, in a very deadly car accident, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Wow. So, I just going to read a little article, my people. If you go and look at highlight about the thing and what them say really go on and what took place, my people, that causes this young female to lose her life in a very tragic way. The entertainment fraternity in Linstead, St. Catherine, has been hit by another tragedy. Sabrina Taffy, also called Brina, a party promoter from Treadways district in Linstead, died in a motor vehicle crash about 4:15 a.m. today, which is today, Saturday, April 30th, 2022. The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF said it added that the accident, which involved a white Toyota Corolla Axio, happened on the Edward Siaga Highway in the Manig area of St.Ann. It appears the vehicle was heading in the Linstead direction. The JCF's Corporate Communications Unit said it is still trying to ascertain more information. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Zane? So, she lost her life, my people, and I don't see if this car, you understand, was involved with another car in the accident, my people. All I see is a photo where the car curl up on one of the side curve, that's my people, and this are the highway, you understand, this is the highway, my people, the big highway, the toll highway, my people, you understand, and I'm telling them people, that's that road, is not an easy road, you know. Is not an easy road, because I drive on this road, my people. I know, say, especially if it's somebody who live overseas and thing, you know, come touch down in Jamaica for a couple years, you know what I mean? And you may just come some and jump on the road and you not even remember certain part of the road stay, because certain part, my people, you really have to cut speed when you're on it. You understand? And me I tell you, there's such a time when me come to my people and me I run the car, and when me reach a level upon the car and my people I drift the car, start drift, and me, you know, if I could have mastered my thing and all it, my people, me I tell you, say, maybe I would have been here today for do this vlog. You know what I mean? But sadly, my people, Linstead, you know what I mean, entertainment fraternity is in mourning again. Sabrina gone, my people. When I tell you, say, I've got to social media and I see where a lot of people are push out them condolences. A lot of people are say, yo, them cannot believe that she's really gone. You know what I mean? I've seen where a person posted and she said like, you know, says, Brina, we are planning to go up a grandma house to go do such and such, and how we are going to do this without you. Because basically people, she was an entertainer. Not just say she was a promoter who a lot of people know if you keep party for years now, my people, because going through her media thing, I can see where she has been promoting and doing a lot of parties for years now, my people. And to know that she has gone in a very tragic way in this way, my people. See, and this is the saying, and we always say now, you may be planning for something big for tomorrow, for next week, but you just don't know the minute or the second when death can just come, my people. You know what I mean? And my talk is, and over I will say this thing. Every day we rise up, in our going out, in our coming in. Just give the Almighty thanks to people. You understand? Because nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. And just to imagine what all her family is going through right now, my people. Her loved one. You understand? Child, anybody at all. See how hard they are taking this one. She just gone, my people, early in the morning. You know what I mean? And I can't judge her case because I never get no information if she was returning from a party or them something or what she was coming from. But you know, so she's a promoter, my people. And normally, when there's a promoter, you always attend different party, my people, because that's how your catalog build up. You understand? Because attending other people party, then you know people will support you because they know so this a promoter always a support people party, so them gonna support you and them thing, my people. You know what I mean? So it just sad, my people. Early in the morning, and definitely my people can know the speed is behind this. And I always say, you know, speed really kills. You understand? It do kills, my people. Speed kill, definitely kill. You know what I mean? Drinking, driving, speed kill. Distraction of telephone, you depend on your cell phone and a drive and them something, people. But speed, definitely, yo, as a killer. You know what I mean? Because when car do hit, and especially hitting at them concrete structure, them people, because you see them concrete structure with upon them toll road, them people. The Chinese them put some tough steel in them, you know, and some cement well hard up in the people. So when car ram up in that, you know, because them a build them thing, you know, easy for destroy, you know, my people. Them a build so them now have to come and repair every minute, you know. So them a go build them thing as strong enough where he build for car, he build for all truck too. Jaja sees, Jaja knows the people. And sadly, young female lost her life, my people. Zane, yo, life is a thing, my people. But what me want to do now, I always do this, my people, is just pour out my condolences to her family and friends and everybody who know her, who came across her, you know what I mean, in the past, who have this word I've seen where people been posting and say, even a classroom, you were the vibes, you were the mother of the classroom. You understand? Because she was just this vibes a person, basically, my people. She was just this entertainment type, and this is really what brought her into the promoting world of people. And she was a very popular promoter over there in our district, where them say Treadsway in a Linstead, my people. A lot of people don't know her, but sadly, you know, she has been gone, my people. So my condolences to everyone who is mourning the loss of Brina right now. And may her soul rest in peace. You understand? And drivers out there, everybody, just drive with care. You understand? Don't drink and drive. You know what I mean? And just reduce the speed. Just reduce the speed. Especially, you know, you come from a party, you're tired, yo. Honestly, if you know you're tired, you know you're sleepy. I tell you the truth, you know, I know Jamaica set away, but you better you just try to find one close motel. You know what I mean? Or a little guest house. And go try rest your head. You know, because I'm not going to tell you to park up a car roadside and go do it. Especially with the Axio. You know, the criminals, them love the Axio, them, so you really have to be careful if you have one of them things. You see me, I say, but on a real level, yo, you say, when you want to sleep, and sleep take you when you drive, me I tell people, it can do cause accident. You see me, I say, because it happen. A lot of times, me the yard and me I drive car people, and sleep lit me, me not lie my people, and what me have to do, me have to fly, find somewhere quick, go get a Red Bull or something, my people, and you know what I mean, get back up and wind down the window them and turn up the music, and you know what I mean, my people, yeah man, just to keep up, no joke, especially when I go up on a far journey, and especially when you alone and I carry now nobody to talk to and try to keep you up, while a conversation with. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But fly high, Brina, rest in peace. You don't know the thing go, this is the attacking boss, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official. Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Enough love. R.I.P. Brina.